Jesus, in John 6:38-70, confronts the religion stronghold on men. This passage is not about communion, symbols, or rituals. It is about who truly belongs to God and why most cannot stay. The core problem, the missing link. Christianity did not collapse because of persecution. It collapsed because the will of the Father was replaced with the will of men. Jesus said plainly, "For I came down from heaven not to do mine own will, but the will of him that sent me." B38. From this moment onward, Jesus draws a clear dividing line, not between sinners and saints, but between those aligned with the Father's will and those aligned with religious expectation. This is obvious in these three divisions of what Christianity religion is all about. 1. The multitudes, seeking God they do not know, the gullible denominational church members. Who are they? They are hungry but not for God. They are seeking results, not relationship. Earlier in John 6, Jesus fed them miraculously. Now they follow him not because they saw the Father, but because they ate bread. Jesus exposes them. You seek me not because you saw the signs, but because you ate of the loaves and were filled. B26. Their problem? They are satisfied with a God of perishable provision, daily bread, miracles, power displays, material solutions. So when they see any system, leader, or religion that promises such breakthrough, material blessings, supply, protection, supernatural advantage, they submit quickly. This is why false religion thrives. It mirrors manna, not the Father. Jesus corrects them, labor not for the meat which perisheth, but for that meat which endureth unto everlasting life. B. 27. They want what God gives. Jesus offers who God is. They don't understand the difference. 2. The insiders, disciples who believe but are not convinced. This is the most dangerous group. They are inside the movement. They follow Jesus physically. They hear his words. Yet many therefore of his disciples, when they had heard this, said, "This is an hard saying. Who can hear it?" B60. They believe, but they are not aligned. They still expect a Messiah who fits expectation, a teaching that comforts the flesh, a kingdom without death to self. Jesus answers them with terrifying clarity. It is the Spirit that quickeneth. The flesh profited nothing. Verse 63. Meaning, no ritual can help you, no association can save you, no proximity replaces transformation. They followed Jesus, but they did not eat him. The religious fathers, priests, and system keepers. These are the custodians of structure. They understand the power of belief systems. They know that if truth enters, control dies. So they resist Jesus not because he is false, but because he threatens the system that feeds them. Earlier they murmured. Later they plotted his death. Why? Because eat my flesh destroys religion. If people understand union instead of rituals, life instead of law, Christ instead of system, there will be no marketplace left. Jesus exposes them indirectly. No man can come to me except the Father which hath sent me draw him. B44. This destroys religious recruitment, manipulation, and control. You cannot sell the kingdom. You cannot manufacture conversion. You cannot inherit God through structure. The centerpiece, except ye eat. Now we arrive at the nuclear statement. Except ye eat the flesh of the Son of Man, and drink his blood, ye have no life in you. 553. This is where Christianity lost the will of the Father. What Jesus did not mean. Communion ritual, cannibalism, symbolic church practice. What he did mean. Total internal union, absolute dependence. Life replacing self. Christ becoming source, not supplement. To eat is to receive his life as your life. Let his will consume your will. Die to religious identity. Lose control. This is why many left. From that time, many of his disciples went back and walked no more with him. Verse 66. Jesus did not chase them. He did not soften the message. He did not redesign the teaching. Religion would have negotiated. Jesus let them go. The final question, still asked today. Jesus turns to the 12 and asks, "Will ye also go away?" Basement. Peter answers, not with understanding, but surrender. Lord, to whom shall we go? Thou hast the words of eternal life. V68. Notice, not we understand, but we have nowhere else. This is eating Christ, remaining when explanation ends. The reason why Christianity decayed. Christianity decayed because the multitudes wanted bread, the disciples wanted comfort, the leaders wanted control, but the Father wanted sons. Religion teaches people to serve God. Jesus teaches people to become one with Him. Religion milks men. Truth consumes men and makes them alive. And this is why Jesus' words still echo. Who can hear it? Not everyone who listens can hear. Not everyone who believes can follow. Not everyone who follows can eat. Beloved, I will be coming your way soon. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Please like and share to your loved ones. God bless you real good.